Hi everyone, Alina here, welcome to my channel, and today I like to share with you I am create nails with macaroni. So we like to do nail extension and we don't have forms, we don't have tips, but we have gel, we have basically everything for nails, just we don't have anything with what we will do extension. My idea is to use macaroni. Believe or not, but with this kind of macaroni you can create amazing nails. You will be not see a different, plus I think it's even better than tips. We start to create tips for our extension. Because we have a macaroni and we have a gels, after we will stick them on top and we will build full nail. I will use for a tip, you can use clear fiber gel for example. I will use a different color for natural look. First one it will be 116. It's look like natural nail, and on top I will use it 108 to create my full nail. I will cover macaroni with plastic. And when one is gonna be dry, I will use another one. So then another one I will use, so like that I will slowly do application for all of them. And one more. As well, be careful, you see like this one, it's little bit skew. And nail it will be as well skew. So look for macaroni what it's more perfect, it's be easier as well. So I take two pieces, put on one side and another side, and my macaroni. Like our natural nail when it's grow, it's exactly what it's gonna look like. Don't put big amount as well. My application as well, not full macaroni, it's half of it, so there I'm stop. And if I want resizes, I will show you as well how to resize them. Okay, now it's dry. I will peel them off, just be easier to peel off. So here it is. See my plastic, it's broke, it's better to change it. Even like 5 if you have a different shape, then you will confuse yourself. Just make it one similar. And put on the lamp. For a thumb we will have a bigger one, so we have to make a size a little bit bigger. If it's gonna be too big, we will cut it. So let's remove this one. We're already done with it. So now we prepare all 5. So this one I will put little bit separate. You see, sometimes it's come plastic. So when you are covered your nails, I mean your macaroni, we have a side where it's sticking this foil, the plastic, and in here it's no plastic, and you see. So I think we have to do it one more. I don't like it there, it's not gonna be nice. So I will use it this one and recreate one more. As well, from this technique, what I notice, it will be very light nails. So they will not have, like, you know, from the tips. Sometimes it's feel heavy, but from this technique it will not feel heavy at all. Let's start from the first one. I put prep and primer, and when it's ready I put bake. So I bake up my nail, and now I want to give attention on it. It's better to cut before you stick. Nice shape there. And it's cut very easy because it's not a lot, so it's very flexible. Like that. If it's too big, it's okay, because after we will change it. We will cut it if we have too much. So I hold like this and I stick, yeah, like this. And I hold it. Can you see? My tippets have to be as well straight. How perfect it is. This one, you see this part, it's as well gonna be fixed when we cover it. So let's prepare another one. As well I will check, cut little bit. This one we can put for a small, yeah. Put lamp on, and I hold for it to be straight. Remember, we have to make sure it's not skew. With acrylic, this technique, it will be, I think it will work. It's just gonna be a little bit more complicated. And double check, you know, you can hold like that with the nail or with the tools, but we're still gonna use the tools like this. Then we have pinky. Pinky, of course, we're gonna cut quite a lot. For me, it's filled this side a little bit, need to be neat. So I cut it inside a little bit here and outside. And next step, we will apply our pink color. So this color, it's not really pink, it's more like milky pink and see-through, it's between. So I will apply this gel for top, then I will file it. So first layer I will apply just on top of the nail. Let's start from first one, this one. So I put near to my, like where it's nail and my macaroni tips, and I'm apply here closer to the cuticle. You know, to seal it everything here. As well, don't put too big amount. It's better you add it later. And I seal it. And on the end, I will add it another drop. So now, idea is to seal it all this between tips and natural nail. I'm a little bit make it self-leveling, just little bit. Now I can cure it. And when you feel it's little bit warm, then I'm apply tip like this. If you don't have a tip like that, as well, it's fine. It just make more perfect, you know, more perfect shape. Oh, what is this? So now you can see it's very nice, I have to say, for use macaroni. I think it's perfect, and we not even file it yet. And all of them we're gonna do the same. You can do one at a time or two at a time. I am prefer one at a time. So if you do one at a time, it will be easier for me. So I will need something to hold my hand. Just make easier application. And now small ones, I will use small drop first, just to put everywhere. And like that I will do it, carry on all of them, one by one. Now we'll apply color just to finish it our nail. As well, I put first one layer, then I take nice one ball, and first go near cuticles and go down, because on the cuticles we have already quite good product, so most of the product I sweep down to cover my full nail. And before I put on the lamp, I just turn like this around, so on this area it have to be more product on this area. I think it's very nice and sometimes even better than our tips, or even better than we use forms, because on the forms sometimes when you apply it's too thick here. In here we have so much cool, like arch we have, you can see, perfect. So now I'm gonna use a sticky layer. I'm gonna remove sticky layer and I will file it. After when I file it, I will apply holographic top coat. So nice. And then in the end you will see result, what it's so cool, you know, like it just, I can't even say this. I like result. Let me know what you think about it. So let's file it and see a finished result. So we are finished our filing. I think it's very good for macaroni nails. You can see we have arch as well. What nails make quite strong. Perfect texture. Very nice. Now I will use holographic top coat and magnet. I hope you enjoyed the video. Here it is how nice this nails is. I'm very happy with the result. So you can see you not always need tips or forms. Even if you don't have forms or tips, you can use macaroni for your nails. If you want to see my video first, don't forget to get notification. You press the button here, what it looks like belt. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.